If Y-E-S pronounce yes, what is E-Y-E-S?
Easy.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel. Peeps, welcome to our first episode of the questions. Right now we're smack in the middle of you're my general. I'm Migla half a tree this?
Yeah.
Alright, smack in the middle of half a tree. Now today we are gonna ask some tricky questions like if Y-E-S is yes, what is E-Y-E-S? Do you know? Alright, make we find out if them know. Alright, my boss, say, what's your name?
Joel.
Wayne.
Don't know, you know, Rasta, you know, you saw me there.
Bigger photography, just bigger comedy.
Melisha.
Sudani Cunningham. Nika Osborne.
Dale Byrne. Jeremy.
Rikisha.
Sandra. Steve.
Sharika.
Harlet.
May I ask you a question? If Y-E-S are yes, what is E-Y-E-S?
Eyes.
E-S.
E-Y-E-S, eyes.
E-Y,
Yeah. E-S.
E-Y-E-S. Why that E-Y-E-S question, the tricky still.
Yes.
If Y-E-S are yes,
Yeah.
what is E-Y-E-S?
It still pronounces yes, but it's yes.
Yes, man. Yes, no.
So E-Y-E-S are yes.
Yeah, yes.
Eyes.
Alright, fair enough, she get that one there.
Tell you the truth, that one day is a bus brain, you know.
It's a bus brain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, think about it man, just
Almost eyes.
huh?
EY.
E-Y-E-S.
Eyes. Eyes.
Yes. Eyes. Like you humanize them.
Alright.
E-Y-E-S. Eyes.
E-Y-E-S. E-Y-E-S.
Easy, just say easy.
I don't know, easy.
Easy.
E-Y. Ease.
Is. Sure.
Yeah.
Eyes.
Smart girl.
Yes.
Sure. Remember say Y-E-S alone are yes, you know. What is E-Y-E-S?
Yes.
Again?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Easy.
Put a little bit up on our side.
On the roof, man. On the roof.
Alright, my boss. If you're in a race and you pass the person in second place, what position are you now in?
First place.
So you pass the person in second, you're in a first place.
Yeah, because we pass the first, so we're in the second place, and we have to go like first.
But then I race, I pass the first
Person in a second place.
the person in a second place.
What position are you now
In
in?
a third place.
If I pass the person at second place,
Yeah.
then that means I'm at first place.
We pass the person in second place, I'm at first place, but them and me come first, man.
Sure.
What do you mean I'm sure about that?
I don't know.
Third.
In a race, I'm past the person with the second. Pass the person with the second.
First place. Yeah, that would have.
Pass the first one at second place.
Yeah.
You must first place.
You know, we take third place and then.
First place.
First place.
Why?
Because I passed the person in second place.
First place.
Sure?
Yeah, third.
Alright, next question. Spell top.
Top. How top spell again now?
Alright, so regular top, like
Yeah,
TOP.
yeah, yeah.
Alright, TOP.
TOP.
T.O.P.
T.O.P. What? Top. T.O.P.
TOP. Top as in top or something or
Yeah,
top.
yeah.
TOP. TOP.
TOP.
T.O.P.
Spell top.
T.O.P. top. T.O.P.
T.O.P.
Alright, say top 2 times.
Top, top.
Say 3 times fast.
Top, 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 top.
Top, top, top.
Top, top, top.
Alright, say top 2 times.
Top 2 time.
Come on, say top 2 times.
Top 2 time.
Top. Top. Top.
Top.
Top, top, top.
Top. Top.
What I do at a green light?
Stop.
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 You know have a top?
Stop.
You go.
What I do at a green light?
Drive through, man.
Stop. Cross.
Go.
Go. Sure.
Yeah. Stop, man. No, Jesus.
Stop. No. Oh, go.
As you were. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Yeah, you go at a green light, sorry.
You mean a green light? No. Drive.
Alright. Sure.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
Sure.
So when you see green light, just stop.
I tap, you tap, bro.
So you tap at the green light.
Yeah, me tap, me no.
If there is stop light
Yeah.
and the light go up on green, you stop.
No, me a go.
Green
You
light.
just say stop.
Well, I know. Yo, he might try to catch me up on them question here.
But stop, you say, Virgin.
I tap myself through, you know, you have to tap.
No, you have to go.
You have to go.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. So this is the first episode of the questions. Next episode, I want you to tell me which part you want we go for the next episode. You don't know your boy Jnel. I'm out.
Easy.
Easy.